Yo, traders, what's up? I hope you're all having a good time. Today we have NFP. We have NFP. Today we have NFP. And this is a special NFP, man. This is a special NFP. Yo, guys, what's up? So I'm here. Let's get started. Guys, what's up? Tell me before I get started. We're going to look at gold, BTC. We're going to look at USDJPY, and we're going to look at the DXY. When you look at gold, when you look at gold on the higher time frame, let's go with the daily time frame. Let's first look at gold on the daily time frame. I'll show you what I think of where gold is going to be headed to. You know, in the past lives that I've done, I've been talking more about the market structure. Like to me, market structure means about, and these events when they come into the market, they are just completing the market structure. So you can see from the daily time frame. When you look at the daily time frame, you have seen that price has come up giving us clear market structure, higher highs and higher lows. You can see price has just come up giving us higher highs and higher lows. And I kept on drawing this thing right here. I kept on marking out this thing right here for you guys to see how markets like really move. You know, I marked this out for you guys to see how markets like really move. You can see just like this. You understand? I've been marking out things for every live that I've been doing. I've been marking out this thing right here. You see how markets have been moving in an uptrend. You see? And market has just been playing out the way we want. So let's look at the 1 hour candle. You see the 1 hour candle? Look at that. Clear market structure, literally. Look at that. Clear market structure. You see that? Let me reduce it. Can you guys hear me properly? If you guys can hear me properly, you can send a message in there. You can send a message in the chat if you guys can hear me properly. Yeah, okay. So what I was trying to say is markets in this previous month, markets have just been coming up in an uptrend, literally giving us high highs, high lows, high highs and high lows, as you can see, until this point where we are currently, as you can see right here. So the current point that we're at right now, price has already given us this all-time high up here, as you can see, and then we have this trend line that price broke, like the previous trend that price broke, as you can see right there. So when you look at it, every time when price has been creating this, it has been breaking it, retest up and then shoots to the upper side. Literally, price has been doing that for the past. You can see price did it right here. We caught a trade there. For those guys in the VIP, they know we caught a trade there. Price created the same exact thing. Literally, the price has come up like really doing this same exact thing. You know. So currently here we can see price has again done the same exact thing right here, where we have this flag pattern now. This flag pattern right here is a continuational pattern to the upper side. So most people that are looking for sells on gold, I don't know about you, but probably are going to be looking for buys on gold with this NFP. We're going to be looking for buyers. Reason why, when you also look at the DXY, I think every pattern can work in any pattern can work here. Any pattern, as long as you can draw it perfectly. So what I'm trying to say is you see right now currently price has already broken this trend line right here. As you can see, it has broken this trend line right here, so probably may wait for a retest, which was again probably I would say this pullback right here. Reason why uh, you can see this was it was a support to this side. This was the support. So that blue line was the support, and now it has been broken. You can see price has already broken that support right there. So maybe we may see a pullback in here with today's NFP. You know, we haven't seen that NFP where price goes up and down, like up and down at the same time. We haven't seen that NFP lately, but probably may have that today. You understand? But if you don't have that today, probably you may just see price, continue to push the percent. But we're going to look at gold in the 5 minutes time frame because that's where the magic happens. Now, where does the magic happen? Let me show you right here the 5 minutes time frame. We have another trend line. That's why I think price is just going to shoot up. You see, we have this other trend line right here. And this right here. We have this trend line. You can see this one right here. So that's why I think today we may have gold like really pumping up to the upper side. Breaking these zones right there. You can see. So I expect gold like to shoot up and to buy. I expect gold to buy, and then it may buy up until probably it may buy until probably this level of it may buy until probably 2,900. I think it may come as high as this. Let me show you guys. It may buy as high as this. It may come as high as this, as you can see. Then the reason why I think price will buy, let's look at the DXY. You see what we're trying to mean right here on the DXY. So this is the DXY. We're going to look at the 1 hour candle. So traders, you see on the DXY we have had already price. No, this one. Let me pull up this one. Just a moment. DXY. Pull up this one. Yeah. So this is what we have on the DXY. So the DXY we currently have price again. Price has been in an uptrend like for some time, as you can see right here. So we expect this DXY to drop. We're literally at the 1 hour candle, and price is currently trending at this trend line. Remember, I told you anytime when we have our MFP coming up, we have price at these trend lines. Now, someone will look at this market and they'll start gambling. Okay, price may go up, price may come down. My key thing is, okay, if price is going to go down, let it close from down, and then we can probably have sell trades coming in to the downside. But if you want to just jump into this trade without like really having confirmation, then that's why the problem is always. You understand? But again, here we need to see price like really come down for the DXY. We need to see the DXY come down. Let's look at the USDJPY. Let's see what the USDJPY looks like. For it may make more sense. Let's see. We're also in a downtrend market for the USDJPY. Remember, we want to sell this one, as you can see. We may have price selling until down there. You can see. We may have price selling up to down there. We can even see on the 1 hour candle, the USDJPY, we already had quite of a retracement. And then when you look at when you apply your Fibonacci retracement right here, you can see that price has already probably retraced up to the 0.6 level. Let's see. When we apply our Fibonacci like this, you can literally see price is currently at the 0.6 level, and that is most of the time the turning point for when you're using Fibonacci for retracement. So, meaning we may have this price come down. This is for the DXY. We may have price come really down. You can even add some small. You see, we may add that just to give price more direction where it's going to go, as you can see. So we may have price like really drop down big time. This is for this is for USDJPY. This is for USDJPY. Right now, US is facing a lot right now. You guys should understand US is facing a lot. So today we may have the stats come out quite less. We may have the statistics come out less. Let me show you what I'm trying to mean right here. Where is my fast ball? Let's look at fast ball. So this is the Shorter Blast claims that here you can see. Guys, look at the forecast, man. Look at the forecast. You see that? You see the forecast? You see that? the forecast literally is low compared to the previous drop. You can see the previous drop. Now look at the forecast. The forecast, this is what they think may happen. You understand? Meaning if this figure comes out lower than this, any figure that comes out lower than this, we may have gold buying crazy, man. We may have gold buying crazy. But again, if this number comes out higher, we may have if this number comes out higher, we may see gold dropping a little bit. You understand? But remember, this news event most times it just completes market structure. So if you have seen in the previous, we have had when this number came out high. You understand? When this number came out high, you saw gold sell first, and then after we had price shoot back to the upper side. You understand? So whatever happens here, actually, this benefits us. Remember last time NFP was positive. So we saw DXY and most dollar pairs going up, meaning we had to see gold come down, and gold sold massively. But after, gold went back up to complete market structure. Literally, the sell that came in on gold was just to complete market structure. It was like a retest, you know. So this is what we think. This is for those that want to know about the fundamentals. This is 170K. This is the forecast. So we need the actual to come out actually lower than this number for us to have the proper market structure of gold like really shooting to the upper side. That is what I want to see today on gold. Someone is saying BTC. I'm going to show you BTC in a moment. Let's see. So this is for USDJPY. You can see USDJPY has been moving smoothly. I caught a massive trade off here. Demand and supply, man. Easy money. I've told you guys multiple times. Demand and supply is one of the easiest ways you can trade in the Forex market. You just want to see aggressive selling like this. You can see. So this aggressive selling right here, you can see there's a lot of file gaps are created in the market, indicating may have price come back onto this zone right here. You see. So I always catch trade when price is coming back up, and then I also catch sales when price is coming back down. Just like this, you can see, and make crazy money. You see. But this is all again patience. You have to have a lot of patience. You can see. Then I've told you guys a lot I've mentioned this a lot also. When you're trading in the Forex market, take note of psychological zones. You can see how price taps into this zone. What does price do? Price comes back here, fakes out, comes back with just, and then shoots the upper side. You see? Someone is asking what time is NFP in Ghana? Let me check here on the internet. What is the current time right now in Ghana? I think NFP in Ghana is let's see. In Ghana it's 1:30. I don't know. Is this is 1:30 on GMT time. Someone is asking your USD. Okay. For that person that asked, what time does NFP drop? Ghana time, it's I think 1:30 GMT time. That is NFP for you guys in Ghana. Yeah. Then now we come back here. Someone is asking, do we trade aftermath? With today's trade, this trade looks very, very nice. That me myself, I would catch, I would catch, I would catch the actual drop. I would, but it would again, it would be risky. But I would catch the actual drop because, guys, look at this. That's right. Let me show you guys. That's right. Literally, we have already had price break out of this. You see, traders, we have already had price break out of this trend line right here. Someone is asking, how about Ugandan time? Actually, NFP is about to drop in the next few 50 something minutes. NFP drops at 4:30 Ugandan time, 4:30. So the next a few minutes we may have NFP 4:30. So we would wait for the aftermath, but with today's market today, I may see like really gold shooting to the upper side because again we're still in an uptrend market, man. We're still in an uptrend market. Like you can draw as many trend lines as you want. You can see if I'm to draw out this other trend line right here, guys. Look at this. You can see price is still in an uptrend. You see that price is still above an uptrend. So we may have like really we may have gold shoot up. So I'm going to be taking a trade me myself. Let's zoom to 5 minutes time from now. I'll be taking a trade, but I'll have a tight stop loss on gold. And unless the only thing that can change the dynamics is if price that thing where it goes up and down quick. If price does that, it means it will first come down to retest. You know, when we have price first come down to retest. Price may first come down to retest at first before we can have it like really shoot to the upper side. That's what I think. But again, this is all positive. Price has already broken out of the trend line right here. So right now we're just waiting for one thing. This move to the upper side. That's all we're waiting for. For that news to come in and then push us to the upper side. That's what I think. But price has already, broken this trend line right here. And I always first catch my first trade when price breaks out the trend line. Except at this point right here. This point right here. The best platform guys, I'm actually going to start trading prop firms again. I'm going to start trading prop firms again. I'm going to go for funding tips. So if you're out there and you want to trade prop firms, I think funding tips and FTMO, and then I'll probably fund it next. Those are the good ones that I would recommend. Yeah, those are the ones that I would recommend. But this is how gold, man. This is how gold is looking like. Let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at Euro USD. USDJPY is going to sell. This is your USDJPY. You can see it's going to sell. We expect it to sell. Let's first look at your USD. The 5%ers have used that profound once. I've used it once. I've used that 5%er profound once. So you guys, we see what I preach is what I trade. So last time I made a video about these gaps that are created in the Forex market. You see these gaps? And I always trade them. You can see our price was coming up to fill up this gap right here. And I trade them, you can see. And then my entry model is just one. I use trend lines for my entry models. You see, trend line, the ones that I use for my entry models. As you can see now for the For Euro USD, let's look at it on the from the for on our candle. I think markets is a forex broker. I think markets is a forex broker. So we currently have Euro USD at this part right chart, right, as you can see. We have Euro USD at that part right there. And then one thing you should understand about Euro USD, it has been coming up in an uptrend for some time, as you can see. It has been coming up in an uptrend from this part right here. You see, we had price come in an uptrend. You can see from this part right here to up here. Then the price was here. Whatever happened over the weekend, this past weekend, we had Trump send markets down here. Look at this. This is the biggest gap ever. This gap right here. This was a very huge gap, as you can see. Sending price, back down here. And then we had price, try to retrace back to the upper side, as you can see right there. So I think today we have your USD buying also. I may have it buying. Let me just first zoom to the daily time frame and see. I may have your USD buying. I'm going to look at BTC. Oh, I think markets recently opened the platform. I didn't know. But all I know, FTMO recently purchased Oyanda. If you guys know Oyanda, the broker, FTMO recently purchased it. So meaning FTMO is like even more legit. Actually, FTMO has been here for some time. And imagine purchasing Oyanda. Oyanda is a very big firm. No, Oyanda is a very big broker. Oyanda is a very, very big broker, guys. Now, this is one pair we have had in the downtrend market for some time. This GBP USD. No, yeah, GBP USD. We have been having it in a downtrend for some time, literally. It has been in a downtrend for some time. This right here. Can we draw that there? Let's see. I always like to try things out. What if we draw this up here? And then this would be not really. But if I do this, that makes sense. And then we can mark out this. Yeah, FTMO is going to be crazy, man. FTMO is going to be crazy. FTMO, what FTMO has done. I'm soon getting back into the prop space soon, but I'm going to first buy the funding pips. I'm first going to buy funding pips and then first make money off that. And I'm going to be documenting everything. Like I'll be quiet for some time, and I'll be documenting myself trading that funding pips account. It's only you guys who know that I'm going to do that. Then after, I'll post a video showing you all my payouts and all that with funding pips. I may either buy funding pips or I may buy probably funding pips or FTM. Between those two, I may buy between those two. Yeah. Let's see how many minutes. It's currently 3:45. We still have more time until NFP drops. We have more time until NFP drops. So this is our GBP USD. So again, GBP USD has been coming up also in an uptrend, as you can see. Currently, we have price pushing up this way. Now, I think price is going to shoot to the upper side for GBP USD, depending on whatever news events come out. But again, whatever news events come out, we may just first have price go up and down. Yeah. So I always recommend for you to trade the aftermath. That is what I always recommend. Now, if you look at this pair right here, that I would recommend someone to come in for probably, let's say if we don't trade it and probably price comes down. This trend line right here, this trend line is very important. Trend line is actually very important. Price always comes down, bounces off. See, then someone is saying USD JPY is bullish on XNAS. This is our GBP USD. As you can see, we have that small pattern right there. Now here, this with that small pattern, now that pattern mostly represents a price will come down a little bit. That's why I think today we have price go up and down crazy. We may have price go up and down, and we don't want to contradict ourselves, like trying to say prices go to buy, prices go to sell, prices go to buy, prices. No, you have to stick to one, and that came from my analysis of gold. Remember, me, I'm trading gold. That is my only pair that I like to trade at Bitcoin. So I don't like to contradict ourselves, like So this is a Bitcoin USD. Let's see this. Funding peeps, they have certain accounts. They have accounts where they pay you like every after 3 days, and then they have where they do bi-weekly. But one thing I like about them, at least they're transparent and they're operating from Dubai. And Dubai is a country where you don't just scam people. They'll get you. You should try scamming people. Yeah, so this is my GBP BTC USD. Now on BTC USD, this is what we have. I've been having price drop down, and yesterday we almost caught a huge trade on BTC, but we didn't know it was a fake out. This right here, we caught this. Up here, but again we didn't cash out. But again, I told most people to cash out if they want, because price had already gone up 30 pips. Our stop loss was around here, but again you can see price came back and swept us big time. But it would be a nice move for 30 pips. 30 pips on BTC is crazy. Let me look at USD. Let me look at it. let me look at it and see for a candle. Let's delete all this analysis right here. So someone is telling me why I'm not considering this right here. Obviously, you may be right. Yeah, you may be right. Yeah, we have a trend line right there. We have a trend line on Euro USD. Someone is saying which chip platform. What chip platform did I recommend? Chip platform. I think the chip platform is fit. Funding Pips is cheap. Funding Pips is cheap. It's way cheap. Funding Pips is way cheap. That's the only one I would recommend. I probably fund it next. But FTMO is expensive. FTMO is expensive. FTMO is expensive. And then someone is saying, how do you expect the LFIs and Trump migration policies to impact? Yeah, that's what I think. Whatever has happened right now, it's quite affecting the economy, because they're spending way too much money. Imagine they're spending almost $10,000 per person to take people from from the US back to India. They're spending $10,000. Imagine that is how much they're spending. $10,000. You understand? So they're spending way too much money. So right now, the economy. Oh. So this is our Euro USD. So you see, with this Euro USD, guys, price has been ranging back to fill up this gap right here. You can see this gap right here. And then after it countered this trend line right here. And also price hasn't like really yet broken out from our trend line right here on Euro USD. So yeah, the possibilities price can even come like down, but in my thoughts, I think price will go up and down. That's what I think. Price will go up and down. That's what I think. You understand? Because on when you come back to my gold pair, when I come back onto this gold pair, when you come back onto this gold pair, I'm positive price may do the same. It may bounce in between, but to push to the upper side, because gold is so, you can't predict gold, man. Times when you think price, okay, price has done whatever it has done, and it's going to push to the upper side. I mean, it's going to push to the downside, and it just keeps on pushing to the upper side. That is gold for you. You understand? But again, with this market, anything can happen, man. Anything can happen with this market. You just have to stick to whatever you stick to, and then just make sure to use proper risk management. Yeah, you don't want people to influence you on doing the wrong choices, you know? Now, look at the 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame, we have price that has broken this trend line. This small trend line that I had here. We have price that has broken it right here. This. So it has broken it. It has even gave us a pullback, more of like a pullback situation right here. You can see. Someone saying hello, watching from India. Guys, make sure to subscribe if you're new around, and make sure to subscribe. Let me see what you guys think on whatever is going to happen today. What do you guys think of what is going to happen to these pairs? What do you think? Let's share some thoughts here. We have 6 minutes until it clocks into 4. Okay. Yeah, cheers, watching from Zambia, cheers. Someone was asking, we may trade the aftermath, guys. I think we may trade the aftermath there. We'll trade the aftermath. We'll trade the aftermath. The aftermath is actually more safer. It's more safe, unless when you just want to risk. When you want to risk and you have an account, you just go all in. But I don't recommend beginner traders to trade NFP. If you're a beginner trader, yeah, the aftermath is way better. But I think with the aftermath, I think I have a new technique with the aftermath. Yeah, the aftermath will be better. Yeah, aftermath will be better. I think with the aftermath, we can catch even the pullback. We can catch the pullback. Let's say if price drops like big time on gold, we can catch the pullback, because the pullback shape, you guys have seen how pullbacks happen. Price like really goes back there. And as we're waiting for the aftermath to happen and the pullback is happening, we miss out like 100 pips. You know, we miss out like 100 pips. So if our gold like really price drops up to like this zone right here, we may have a pullback. If you see a pullback starting to come in, then we can like catch a quick pullback and then probably cash out like 50 to 60 pips, even 100 pips of gold. Yeah, but I think price, but me, I think price may continue up to shoot up for gold. Yeah, we may have price drop again. We may have price drop in a little bit, but we may see price going up from all-time highs. Guys, you need to understand one thing. You guys are forgetting that right now the safest thing right now to invest in your money, to keep your money, is gold. That's why I think gold is going to shoot up. This is what is happening. People are being chased away from the US. Where can they keep their money? It's gold. You see, most countries right now, whatever is happening in the world right now, people are looking for a safe haven to keep their money. Is gold. It's not even Bitcoin, but gold. You see how Bitcoin has been quite down for some time. It dropped on Sunday, dropped up to 91,000. You see, but right now we may have gold like really going up. So whatever we will have today, if price probably may react off the news and probably come down, but we may have see price again continue to plump up to the upper side, and we see gold like really going up. So aftermath will be better, but we may catch a pullback when price drops on gold, and then we may have that pullback. Because again, when you look also on this year USD, let's see. If gold shoots, let me show you. If gold shoots and closes above here, if gold shoots and closes above this line, then we're going to go to the upper side. This one. If it breaks and closes from above, I shall be waiting for that on the 5 minutes time frame. If it closes above that, then we're just going to go up for. We shall go in for buys. We shall go in for buys. Yeah, I think me too. I think because this is what I think. We already have price. You see, we have price that's already broken this trend line, but most of the times we may see a retest coming. The times where retest will even come in until the trend line right here. We may see that. That is much possible. You understand? That is much. That's why when you're trading the forex market, you have to have patience, man. You have to have patience. If you are quick to jump into the market, these markets take your money. You see. Most of you guys have seen the trades that have been catching on gold and BTC and sending them to the free group when we hit profits in the VIP. Most of you guys have been seeing those trades. I literally sit on this computer from morning until probably around. I take my trades around 2 to 3. That's when my trades play out, and I have like really proper confirmation. I want money for gym from this aftermath. Flowers. Yeah, the money is coming. The money is coming in big time. Money is coming in big time. But let's see. We have now after we have 1 minute until 4. Then we shall have 30 minutes until NFP drops. Let me first go drink some water and then also stretch, and then I come back, guys. Just give me a few minutes and I'll be back. Just give me a few minutes and I'll be. Guys, I'm back. Uh, Yo, good afternoon, good afternoon. Guys, today, we think price might shoot up for gold, man. Gold is a safe haven, it's a safe haven. Even though we may get sales, price reacting off gold, I mean the NFP, and price comes down, it may continue pushing to the upper side. Yeah, we may have like a spike to the downside, and we may have that, price shooting back to the upper side. Because I know price may spike just to come back here. May spike here to retest, and then we may have another push to the upper side. We may have price continue to go to the upper side. So if I'm to know where price will come, I'll probably connect to my trend line like this. That trend line right there. From there, guys, from there. Can even come as low as this zone right here. It can even come as low as this zone right there if price is to sell. As low as this zone, before we can see that big buy come in. Yeah, we may see a saw then buy. Uh, we have around 19 minutes until NFP drops. We have 19 minutes until NFP drops. We have 19 minutes until NFP drops. Now look at this on the 5 minute time frame. You see now, guys, first look at this. Man, trading will always amaze you. You see how we're waiting for NFP and the aftermath? Look what happened here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Price literally broke my trend line from this zone right here. We tested it and then price has been dropping ever since I started this live. You see how price has been dropping big time. You see, it broke this trend line, we tested it. If this was a normal day when I don't have NFP, this would be a trade that I would have called. You see, price broke, we tested, and then it has been dropping ever since. From here to here, this is already some good money. This is already some good money. You see, and this would be a sniper entry, man. A retest, proper retest. Look at that, proper retest. Look at that. As we're down here waiting for price to drop, waiting for NFP to come in, price has already been moving crazy. Price has already been moving crazy. Price has been already moving crazy. Man, anything to do with trend lines. Trend lines, I use trend lines for my entries, man, for everything. Trend lines are key. Trend lines. Anytime when price blocks a trend line, you just off it, man. That's an entry. As long as you know the bias of the market. As long as you know the bias of the market. The bias is the most important thing. As long as you know the bias of the market. As you can see, price is coming in smoothly. Price is coming in smoothly. Price is coming in smoothly. This will be a very nice sell trade one with my 10 size. So price is coming up and down here. This would be a nice sell trade. I'll try it there. That would be a nice one. I don't know even how we were blinded and didn't see that. And I look at your USD. USD is here. US 30. Okay, I'm going to look at US 30. This is Euro USD. We have Euro. This is the Euro USD. So we have this zone that caused this upside move to the upper side on Euro USD. This move right there. So if NFP drops and then the numbers are quite positive, we may see price coming up to this level right here, and then we'll see another plump to the upper side, and this will indicate that price is just coming down here to retrace off of this right here. This right here, you can see. So literally, the price may come down for this pair right here too. We just this zone here. That's one right there. That's for Euro USD. If prices to like really come back down up to there, we may just have like a retracement before you can having the buyers come into play. Then US 30. I haven't looked at US 30. Let me first look at US oil. This US oil plays a big role whenever NFP is dropping. US oil has been dropping massively. And currently prices at a turning point. This is price is currently at a turning point for US oil. 5 minutes time frame. Got a beautiful trend line right there. And you have even this. Then also mark out a big one up here. Our price has to break. For US oil, I think price might shoot to the upper side. For US oil, I think price might shoot to the upper side. Then US 30. US 30. This is our US 30. US 30 has also been coming up in an uptrend. Price is at a turning point. Currently, I have a trend line right here. Beautiful trend line right there. What do I have on our calendar? Let's see. We may have Dogecoin. But if you want to trade Dogecoin, during this NFP, you're mad. But how are you trading Dogecoin? Or you just want to invest in it, like buying Doge? Probably if you want to do that, then maybe. Yeah. So I think for this US 30, we already have a plummet to this downer side. Have a plummet. We have some imbalance in there. Fat coin, oh my god. Actually, Fatcoin is a strong coin. It's right now it sits at $400 million market capitalization. People who invested in money, man, made crazy amounts of money off that Fatcoin. Yeah, it's a very actually good coin. Fatcoin is a very good coin. Fatcoin, Pepe is still good. There are still good coins to buy. Then for this is US 30. We have this gap in here that was created. This gap here when partial drop to the downside, and we still have like this resistance up here on USO. I mean on US 30. I think for US 30 we may have like a drop. We may have a drop. US 30 we may have a drop. And if I look at the daily time frame, yeah, we may have a drop on US 30. We may have a drop on US 30. Then USDJPY, I've told you guys USDJPY, we may see price like continue to the downside. We may see that price dropping. US. What am I seeing? So for USDJPY, I'm thinking sells. I'm thinking sells. I'm thinking sells. Price may come in and sell probably up to down this spot right here. Up to this spot right here. Let's see. Up to this spot right here. Let me zoom out. We may have price plummet up to this level right here. That's what I think. This is probably the blue level down there. That's what I think on USDJPY. That's what I think on USDJPY. I've seen the gaps on. Unless price may come back up to this level right there. Unless when price is going to do that. Maybe price may do that. May go back up there. Maybe. How many guys? You have 9 minutes until NFP drops. You have 9 minutes until NFP drops. Let's see. My friend has just blown an account. My friend has just blown an account. I don't know with how much, but he has just blown an account. Guys, this USDJPY may see price come down. We may see price come down. If you don't have like that up and down thing, and price respect whatever we mentioned, we may see buys on gold, and then we may see ourselves on USDJPY. We may see that. You can see, guys. Look at this. We have this nice. Do I live in Dubai? No, I don't live in Dubai, but I often go to Dubai multiple times. So you see this trend line right here? How price has been respecting this trend line, and then look what has happened. Here we have this red candle that has closed in, and this is we have an evening stop pattern right here. Sometime we have a bearish engulfing candle, so I think price may come down one big time. I think price may come down for USDJPY. Let's go back to our gold pair. This is our gold pair. This right here. Gold has come back up to this zone right down here, guys. We are looking for buys on gold. We are looking for buys. We are looking for buys on gold. We are looking for buys on gold. Someone is saying we look at USD, UGX. Let's not even waste time with that pair. Man, that pair is a pair that doesn't move. I'll show you. Let me show you. We have 6 minutes until NFP drops. Let's look at that pair. Let me show you that pair. Let's see that pair. And traders, you need to understand that you gambling in NFP doesn't make you a good trader. Doesn't make you a good trader. You're a gambler. We can often live in gamble and then price goes our way. But you think it makes you a good trader? No. UGX. UGX. There you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. This is Ugandan shillings versus the dollar. Okay, let's do dollar versus Ugandan shillings. Dollar, USD, UGX. Is it there? Yes. Let's do the other way around. Look at that. What in the movements are these? Our currency is so weak, man. Our currency is so weak. Like literally, Africa. Look at that. How do you even trade this that I'm placing buys? You can't even, most brokers don't offer this currency because it's a shit currency. Shit currency. Traders. This is our gold. I'm still sticking on gold buys, man. I'm sticking to gold buys. I think price may plummet and continue to the upper side. My recommendation, if you're a beginner trader, don't trade NFP. You can just wait for the aftermath. Aftermath, I think if price closes above the blue line and it closes above, like, not the fake out. Last time we were faked out on gold, actually. The last, I think it was CPI. News drops. We have 4 minutes until news drop. So we don't want to be caught up in fake outs. But I think price may continue. If it doesn't come down up here, we push up. If it closes above here, then we can catch a trade. But I think price may first drop to the downside and then we see that push to the upper side. I think price may do that, man. You see, with such markets like this, on a big account, I can always go in with a small lot, like 0.50. I can place 2 lots, and then guys, people, for those that are just joining in, make sure to subscribe to this channel, man. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. What are my comments for the buyers? Follow me as I follow Jesus Christ. Traders, don't gamble with NFP, man. If NFP, you can't trade NFP, don't gamble. Don't just be going in for buys or sells. You need to stick to one thing. Like, if you don't know, then you don't trade it. Don't gamble at your buying or selling. You have to have like a basis that you're following. But I think price may sell, then after we go in for a huge buys. I think price may sell, and then we can go in for a huge buys. That is what I think. Yeah, in 2 minutes. Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute left, guys. Let's see. I have my phone ready here for the pullback. And this time around, we may have aftermath very quick for that. I'm going to meet Festo. Most of you guys know Festo. Guys, make sure to like the video. Make sure to like the video. I'm going to meet Festo, the CEO of the Afro token. Let's see. Price looks like it's going to shoot before even coming in for souls. Let's see. But let's see. If souls come in, then we're going to catch that pullback. Buys. Is it like a very big buy? Let's see. Guys, look at that. I caught a buy, but it was a risky one. I caught a buy which was very risky. Guys, I caught a buy that was very, very risky. Now let's see if price will come down. Now the spike was to the upper side. You see the spike where it was? I was able to cash out $500 very fast. Very fast. Now price is dropping. Let's see how far it can drop. If it can drop up to this downer level right there, then we can catch. Let's see if price can come and tap our level down there, then we can catch. Then we can catch the buys to the upper side like a huge buy. Man, that spike is so unpredictable. But most times, I think for that spike, you look what a zone where liquidity is. You know, you look at the zone where liquidity is. Now, I think they knew these guys. Everyone was going in for sales and putting their stop losses up here. Now look what they have done. They have wiped every stop loss that was up here. They have wiped it up. But I think probably they may have price pulling back to the upper side. Let's see. Let's first look at other pairs. Let's now. Let's see. This was USD. You see, this was USDJPY. I told you price would sell. It has sold up to this level right here. You can see. Now indicating if this kind of closes from above, we have price now. Our dynamics will change. Price will start now shooting to the upper side for USDJPY. If this kind of closes from above here, you can see. Because I told you this thing completes market structure. Now the market structure here would be price has come back to retesting to this gap. Look at that gap there. It has done retesting in it. If this kind of only closes from above right there, as you can see. Now, for our gold, we still have price to come down. We still have price to come up down to like this level down here. The price can plummet up to this trend line right here, then you can see what's up. But I was able to catch my buy trend, man. I went in for the buy. My mind was telling me price is going to buy for the spike. But you can see I told the price may spike and then come down. That is NFP, man. You just need to know that people have lost money right now. People have lost so much money. The people that have lost so much money. Let's see. Let's first look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Yeah, it has also respected the trend line. Bitcoin has respected the trend line, as you can see. It has respected the trend line. And then let's see JPY. Okay. JPY has also. We'll look at JPY. Euro USD. Euro USD also, I think it respected trend line. Remember, we had a trend line right here. We had this trend line right here, as you can see. Now, I think we may have a salesman on these pairs. We may have sales coming for some time before we can see price plummeting, because this right here, it looks like a rejection of the trend line. And you know what that means, traders. Let's come back to our gold pair. I just switched one time and pair. I just moved away from gold and price has already reached the trend line. What the heck? Price has already reached the trend line, guys. Look at it. Price has already reached the trend line. Let's see the 1 hour candle. which is my retest, guys. Do you see that? Do you see that? We expect the price to come to this. We expect the price to come as low as this, but I think we expect the price to come as low as this part right here. You can see, guys. If you know how to scalp, I'm going in for buys on gold. Going in for buys on gold. I expect I wanted this retest right here. Let's see. I'm already up profits. I'm already up profits. I think if I'm to go in for buys, I may target this just upper part, this upper part right here. I'm targeting this upper part. If price comes as high as this, I'll move out of this market. This upper part right here. Let's see. We were meant to catch this pullback from here, and I moved immediately. I moved there from my computer on price side. You know, immediately I moved out from my computer. Price side playing. You can see I'm already up profits, guys. I don't know if you can see, guys. I'm already up profits. You can see I'm already up profits. Hope you guys are up profits. Price is already up 20 pips, man. Price is already up 20. I told you 20 pips we close. And we're out of here. Remember, we're just scalping, man. We're not swing trading. We're not doing anything like that. But today we're just scalping. Yeah, guys, I've made another $500. Why not exit this market and I go play basketball? We are meant to catch this pullback from here, which would give me like $1,000, but we caught it from around here, and we have made around 30 pips actually. I think like 20 pips. Can price continue pushing up? It's still continuing. Let's see. Price is continuing, guys. You can see price is continuing. Price is continuing. I'm already up $700. Look at that, guys. I'm already up 700. Look at it. I think I'll close. I was targeting this higher level right here as my target, but I'm going to close from here, guys. Reason why this may be like a retracement. Yeah, I'm closing off from here, guys. I hope you guys have read some at least. Because again, it would be a sniper entry, obviously, because price, we took the trade and the price just started going up. I'm going to play ball, man. 700. Good money. Maybe I can leave one position running. And price is continuing to push the upper side. Let's see. Close off some profits. Let's see. The only thing I hate about prop farms, man, when you trade in prop farms, they don't accept you to trade news events, man. Now, I wonder, money is made during news events, then how would you trade without prop farms? Like, how do you expect someone to trade during news events? I mean, how do you expect people to trade and make money if you don't have news events? You know, it's crazy, man. You guys see, guys, I've closed off with profits over 700, as you can see right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've closed off with some profits of the buy. As I mentioned, we had at least to see price come back onto this trend line. We even up here. We don't, I mean, come up even down here, but it came here and it showed us like rejection right here. And to help you guys, if you want to always see that rejection, you can always check the 1 minute time frame. You can always see that rejection. The rejection comes in first on the 1 minute time frame. You can see this is where you see that rejection. You can see, you see, you can always see that rejection of the 1 minute time frame. You can see, and then you can always go in for. If you guys still want to hold your buys, you can still hold your buys. I think price is still shooting up. I think, but again, since it's scalping and we're not swing trading, we're just scalping, man, quick. You know, I don't think, yeah, even I don't think it will come back down now. I don't think price now may just continue to that desired direction. I think price is continuing, you see. I think price is continuing. So if you guys are still holding your buys, you can, you know, keep on holding your buys. But this was a nice one. Now imagine everyone who was also placing their stop losses here, they have been wiped out. Everyone, they've taken them out. Imagine. Trading is so brutal. Man, trading is so brutal. Have you guys made some money? At least we caught some buys. At least we caught some buys. You guys make some money. Let's see US 30. Let me first look at the other pair that I analyzed late. What did US 30 do? US 30. Let's see what is on our candle. You have made $300. That's nice. Guys, have you guys made some money? USO. Let's see USO. Have you guys made some money? Let me see those comments, man. Make sure to subscribe. USO didn't move like even a single. Didn't move big time. It didn't move. Okay, let's go back to our gold. Man, gold can give you quick money. Oh, yeah, it's still pushing to upper side. If you guys are still holding your buys, man, keep on holding your buys. Yeah. If you guys are still holding your buys, keep on holding. You can right now what you can do, you can only move your stop loss above. You can move your stop loss above. You can move your stop loss. Made 300 from 30, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, me myself, I made on one small account I made 700. On one small account I made $700. I don't trade with any prop firm currently. But I'm going to get funding pips. I'll be getting funding pips account soon. And I'll go for, oh, what am I seeing? This is the resistance, right? Yeah, this resistance. If price doesn't break that resistance, you may see price plummeting back to the downside. But I think price may continue pushing the upside. I think price may do that. Let's first see what numbers come out. Let's see. Non-farm payrolls. You see guys what I told you? The actual came out 143. You see, that's why I knew price dollar had to fall down. You can see even these numbers can often tell you what is going to happen in the market. So you guys keep on holding your buys. I think you keep on holding your buys. These are the numbers that came out. You can see. I'm holding on. I have a big account that I'm holding on. Yeah, I'm holding on a big account. I have some actually trades I've been holding from yesterday. Yeah, I'm still holding them. Cheers, man. If you made some money off this, buy cheers. Man, cheers. Cheers, man. Let's see. Then we can do another channel right here just to give price direction and know if price is going to continue going up or coming back down. But again, guys, I hope all of you guys at least have made even though $30, even though 100, that is money. I hope you guys have made some back. That was quick. It wasn't like today's aftermath wasn't like last time where we had to wait and wait and wait. No, these pullbacks really happen, and we can always feed off these pullbacks instead of waiting and waiting. Yet already markets are moving fast. As long as you have like a steady point where price. If price comes here, it'll bounce off from here, and then we see the other thing. Then just take your trade. Just take your trade there. Guys, let me see. You guys, have you made money? I'm only seeing a few comments. Other people are just watching us. Guys, have you made some money? Guys, I hope you have made some money, man. If you haven't made money, at least I hope you have learned, because I hope you guys have learned. If you didn't make money, I hope you guys have learned at least. Yeah. How you can tackle these markets. I hope you guys have learned, chat. I'll be signing off. These guys are waiting for me. I'm going to meet the founder of Forex. Most of you guys know him, Mr. Evayi Festo. I'm going to meet him. Actually, I'm supposed to go for my physiotherapy. I broke my leg when I was playing basketball, but today I'm going to skip that session. Yeah, that's good, man. Someone made $400. That's good. I'm going to skip my physiotherapy session today and go see these boys play ball. They even almost broke my ear. You see this ear? They almost ate it off. You see this ear? You guys almost ate off my ear. But anyway, guys, I'm going to sign out right now. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. Yeah. I'm going to sign out right now. I should leave this thing running so you guys can see. Markets have pulled down. I knew price would reject off that rejection, but again, guys, I hope you guys have made some money, man. I'm signing off right now. Bye bye.